Inside this Clifton manufacturing facility, they used to produce fun custom displays for retail, restaurants, and conventions until the orders stopped coming. They're now designing what a new world may look like to get all of us back to work.
We're building floor stands that go up and will create a clear barrier so that give them some protection.
Don't even know it's here.
It's like a big see-through sneeze guard.
So does the plastic make you feel better?
Definitely does.
Pharmacist David Yoon had a friend hang thick plastic sheets in front of his register at U.S. Pharmacy Lab.
Yeah, when people talk, you tend to spit, and a physical barrier between that. Not everyone is wearing masks right now.
We also are making other devices for the emergency. We're trying to come up with ideas, but we're having a retail divisional protectors between the cashier and the public.
His visual experience team started producing face shields that can make up to 10,000 a day between 3 plants in New Jersey, California, and Florida. But it's a need for protective room dividers he hopes will not only bring back his furloughed workers, but get others safely back to work.
People have a need to please contact us. We're available to help in any way we can.
As a former firefighter in New City, the CEO said it's like all of us became first responders because of coronavirus. You walk into a situation, you don't know what you're getting into, but these barriers might not just help provide protection, but peace of mind. Nina Pineda, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.